What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma, and guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these bad boys right here, the Boston Celtics Beats Studio 3 Wireless. And now, why, out of all the different NBA teams that Apple makes these headphones with, they're like 6 total or something, why Boston Celtics? Well, because as you guys may have heard if you follow Big Daddy Shane on the social media, I'm going to be going to a Boston College, class of 2023, so that's pretty cool. My acceptance letter right here. You guys can read that bad boy if you feel like it. It's pretty nice. I like it. And yeah, as you can see, I got a little BC logo right here on my breast under my American flag, you know, turning into a billboard right here, but I don't care. I also got a Boston College tie, Boston College belt. Sorry, I'm not wearing them in this video. I just wanted to wear this tie right here because I just got it. It's a Gucci one. It's pretty nice. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for all that's going to come at Boston College. It's a great school for those of you who know about it. It's actually the #3 undergraduate business program in the country. And as you guys obviously know, I like business. That's why I started this business here, Warenotice, obviously. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to be going to their Carroll School of Management, their business school. So, yep, I'm very excited. I love Boston. I was born in Boston. So, for the millionth time, very excited. So, what better way to celebrate than by unboxing Boston Celtics headphones? People in Boston, they have so many great sports teams there. The Celtics are obviously their basketball team. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to unboxing these bad boys. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So here we are, folks, up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, it says Beats Studio 3 Wireless. And right here, it's got that NBA collection and it says Boston Celtics. So here's also a picture of what these headphones look like. Sadly, though, I will say they probably should have made these in all green instead of all black with a little bit of green because the Celtics, you know, they're very into their team color green. I think it's silly to make these black, but hey, that's just my opinion. They've also got a little bit of gold right here, which is nice. And yeah, if we come over here to this side, it says rep your team, respect your sound. Obviously, you're repping your team if you're wearing Boston Celtics headphones. Right here, Celtics logo, Beats logo, NBA logo. Right here on the back, it talks about some different things that these headphones can do. For example, they're obviously wireless. They work over Bluetooth. They have pure adaptive noise canceling, as they call it. These headphones are able to cancel noise, which is really nice. They've also got some pretty impressive battery life. That's 22 hours with that noise canceling on versus 40 hours with that noise canceling off. That's a lot of hours of music, folks. Quite a bit right there. And then, yeah, you can also talk on the phone with these headphones. They've got a mic built in. Makes sense. This is 2019, folks. And apparently, you can also get with a 10-minute charge of these headphones up to 3 hours of playtime on them. So that's pretty cool as well. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to getting these bad boys out of the box right here. Another Celtics logo, but yeah, let's open them up, folks. So off with that shrink wrap. Oh yeah, here it comes. Bye-bye, shrink wrap. Let's slam dunk this. Slam dunk right there. You like that, guys? It's a basketball reference if you couldn't tell. And yeah, now we can slide this outer shell off, put that to the side. And now here are more logos, Beats and NBA. Obviously, it's a collaboration between those two bad boys. And yeah, let's get the top off this. And right here, let's see, sound legendary. I already sound legendary, but now I can listen legendary, right? Anyway, yeah, folks, enough jokes. Let's take the top off this box. And right in here, oh, that's super cool. The carrying case actually has the Celtics logo on it. Usually it would have the Beats logo, but you are getting the Celtics edition. Go Boston, right? Go Boston. BC, yeah? And then, yeah, we can just unzip this carrying case and finally get to meeting these headphones. Voila, here they are. Wow, look at these bad boys. I'm just going to put them to the side for a second. We can see what else is in the box, and then we can start playing with them. So here we got the carrying case. Underneath here, let's see. We got a Beats logo. Here we got this paperwork, I'm guessing. Let's see. Beats logo. Ooh, this is really cool. We got a Beats logo sticker with Boston Celtics sort of in the background like there. That is pretty cool. So if you're a big Beats fan, big Boston Celtics fan, you already know what it is, folks, okay? So right here we got a little carabiner. Right here we got the micro USB to USB cable. Unfortunately, these bad boys still do not charge with USB-C. They really should. Come on, Apple. It's 2019, but hey, At least it has a charging cable included, right? Micro USB right there. And right here, as you can see, we've got a little stereo jack cable if you want to plug these headphones actually into your device instead of listening to them wirelessly. Obviously, they're wireless headphones. You're probably going to want to use the wireless feature, but hey, it's always nice to have that extra option. But now, folks, since we're done looking at what's inside the box, let's take a closer look at these actual headphones. So right here, we've got a little sticker thing we can peel off right there. Still got to peel the stuff off this headphone. And oh yeah, look at that Gold Beats logo right there. Very, very nice. I do like the color gold. How could you not? And yeah, here they are. So as you can see, you can sort of see that Celtics logo right there. You can see, yeah, it's like going around the whole outer band of these headphones, different Celtics logos. And right here, we've got gold on the inside, gold right there too. We've got a little green accent going on right there. And yeah, let's try these bad boys on. So, oh yeah, that feels good. It's like two cushions on my ears. How do I look? Very cool. Oh yeah. So now to turn on these headphones, all you got to do is hold down this power button right here, and then these indicator lights start flashing. Right here we've got the micro USB port for charging this bad boy, and right here we've got that little headphone jack if you want to plug that stereo jack cable into this headphone and into your listening device, your computer, your phone, whatever device still has a headphone jack even though it's 2019. Then on the inside of the headphones, we've got these squishy ear cups, of course. We've also got an L right here to indicate that this is the left side of the headphone. We've got an R right here to indicate this is the right side. So let's put them on, and I'm gonna get them all set up and ready to play some music. And now to do that, since these bad boys are the Beats Studio 3 wireless and they have Apple's W1 chip built into them that allows for easy pairing with your Apple devices, guess what? All I have to do to set these up is turn them on, which you saw me just do, and then hold them near my iPhone XS Max right here, and up pops this little dialog box as if it's a pair of AirPods or different headphones that can connect very easily like this. And all I have to do is tap connect, and then see connecting, and wait for it. I just heard a noise. And just like that, they are connected. See, 94% power, and done. And now we're ready to rock and roll, folks. Let's do this. Now, folks, to continue with that Warenotice tradition of me testing out headphones by singing along to a popular song, here I go doing just that. I'm going to be singing along to Old Town Road. You might have heard of this song. So, let's get it, folks. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. Horse tack is attached. Hat is matted black. Got the boots is black to match. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, all in my bladder. Cheated on my baby. You can go and ask her. Whoa, that was crazy, folks. So, yeah, first impressions, these headphones do sound good. Obviously, when you turn it up a bit on a song like this, the bass feels very, very nice. If you've heard Old Town Road, it's got some nice bass going on. So, yeah, sounds good. But, hey, these are the Beats Studio 3 wireless. So, if you know what those sound like, I have unboxed a different version of these before, the DJ Khaled version. That's what these are going to sound like. They just have the Celtics imagery all around them, or if you get a different team from the NBA collection, they're going to have that team too. But underneath, guys, they're still the same headphones, so that's pretty nice. And yeah, let me show you one more cool thing these headphones can do. You can actually control the music you're listening to with buttons on the headphones, so you don't even have to whip out your phone if you don't want to, because come on, who does that? It's 2019. You can just watch. Click this button right here, and now it's playing. Oh yeah. Nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. And then you could just press the button again to pause it. Now it's paused. You can also press this button right here to turn down the volume, and this button right here to turn up the volume. And just like that, folks, now we're done. Just a quick, easy unboxing of the Boston Celtics NBA Collection Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. If you like these headphones in general, they're going to set you back about $350, so they're not exactly cheap. But I've also got another video about these headphones linked down in the description if you want to watch that, about the DJ Khaled version of these headphones, not the Boston Celtics ones. I unboxed those, so definitely be sure to watch that as well. well. And guys, if you enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for, you guessed it, more awesome technology videos. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with these Boston Celtics Beats headphones, baby. Ooh.